ready to let that go. Now you good.
Okay.
Watch me.
That won't peel back.
That
won't peel back.
What you mean?
The rubber right there.
You need to knock it off. You watch.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for you. This is tire monitor right here.
It's okay.
You
You
like
look
that?
like it.
You like that?
What's wrong?
I was saying that's a tire monitor right there.
Earlier, he was telling me to make sure I didn't mess it up. I tried.
Riding on the flat. Grab your tire. Yeah.
That's what I was asking. I got some
What?
soap.
You got the body wash.
Right.
Hold on.
I know. I'm just
Hold on.
looking.
Check it. Check it. Make sure ain't no directional tie.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to look around for, but I can't.
You need your flashlight. Most of you stand down. You sure you got some soap? Well, I got some body wash right here. I got some right here. Get the body wash. I just need something to sprinkle on it.
It was empty. I put
Flip it on the other side.
soap and water in one
You see anything?
and rinse it off with the other.
So it must be the outside. I'm gonna flip it over.
I don't see that.
I don't see anything either. Thanks, love. Tread.
I don't know.
Don't say that.
Yes. What I do with that top?
Top what? Yeah, I don't see it say anything.
You got your knife, you say? There you go. Punch a hole in the top right there. So that you can support it. See Michelin. Do it say outside. It's 235, 45, 19. Easy's waving.
That's on nothing.
That's why I say this don't say nothing about outside. Alright, here you go. Like that.
Come on, man. Richard Petty crew do faster than this, bro.
Boy, doing numbers though. Shit, man, you just ride. You know what I do, diligent.
We can do numbers the other way. Back to the house.
Yeah. Matter of fact, you can.
Hey,
Get,
hey, man.
Matter of fact, how about load more?
Put that back up.
Yeah.
Hey, man. Next time you have a flat tire, run flat mean you can still stay
I
running.
know that's what it's supposed to be. Right?
Do what?
Run flat. I told you got 50 miles on it after you go flat. You don't wait till Augusta.
Yeah.
You mean to push it? Try that.
Put your foot on.
Man, I know damn well you didn't do them tires like that back in high school.
Like that. Push down right there.
Push down.
Yeah. Yeah, push down right there.
Oh, like push it down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't think MJ did it like that, T-Roy. I don't think MJ did it like that.
Push down a little bit. Hey.
What you say?
How long you want to be out here tonight?
You got a point.
We can edge it around like this.
Come on around. I need that. Put your foot up there. I need that to go down in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. You want that to go down in there? This will go down in here. There you go. Come on around there. There you go. But I need to push that tie down though.
Okay.
The tie needs to go down in the rim.
Oh, the more this side
Right.
goes down, the more
There
that
you
side.
go. This come on around.
Yeah, on the way so much now.
Yeah, you just don't let that come up.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
I need all that to go down in there. That's why that needs to go around right there.
I can't use the what's the name to like going around it.
Make sure you keep that down over there.
I got you.
Yeah, make sure you push that down right there. A little bit over. Come on around with your foot. Come on around. There you go. Put your foot right there. That's down over there.
Almost got it.
Maybe go to the center there.
Let's get you up. Bring your foot out around. Push it on down with your foot right there.
Sorry.
my shoes for
I
y'all.
should brought with y'all.
Right.
Just
Hey.
for him to stand on it.
Yup.
Yeah. Don't worry about the shoes, man, cause if you had to pay somebody to do this, you would buy a new pair of shoes anyway.
Anyway.
You don't pay a new
No,
pair.
you be them bought
Not
them
these.
some. No, you be
Not
them bought them some shoes.
Hey. They about one fit that night right here.
Okay, easy.
Cause you pay the 150 to call the tow truck.
Uh-huh.
So you pay the 150 to call the tow truck. Tow truck do be more.
Yes, sir.
Oh man.
Shit, by the time you grab a pack of cigars and get them ready, we'll be ready to get out of here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Hopefully we about through with this, man. Yeah.
Yeah.